Yes, DJ.
Konnichiwa, arigato gozaimasu. Welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to Bam's Travel Channel, and for today's video, I will bring you to one of the most beautiful country in Asia, and it is known as the land of the rising sun. So in this video, I will show you how beautiful this country is, and also this country known as Japan Sagot sa Kahirapan. So I have a lot of friends and best friends and who is working and living in this area. So I will take you and I'll give you a tour to Japan. So I'm very much lucky and I'm very much proud that I was able to travel in Japan last year. And I've been traveling to some places in Japan like in Tokyo, Hiroshima, Okinawa, Sasebo, and Kobe. So I really witnessed how beautiful this country is. They are very much clean. The area is very much clean. And the people are very kind and respectful. And of course, the food. They have a lot and varieties of Japanese food that you can taste and eat in Japan. And I am very much happy that I was able to taste the most famous Japanese food, which is their ramen. First time to see the cherry blossom, the sakura tree, first time to ride a train in Japan, and first time to see the monument of Hachiko, which is the most famous landmark in Japan, and also the Tokyo Drift. I witnessed the historical landmark in Hiroshima wherein the atomic bomb was placed there in 1940. So I really love to see the museum in Hiroshima where all the happenings happened in late 1940s. So if you have time, you can visit Hiroshima in Japan and Tokyo. In today's video, I will do a random shout out to all my avid subscribers who are always following my videos. So let's start with J. Chris Story, King TV, Ismogol Vlog, Amir Almandrala, Noah Aquino, Moto Commando Vlogs, Carl Kevin Tolerin, Marco Adonis Vlog, and Tatang Bert. So thank you so much for your support and for always subscribing and watching my videos. Bye!
A few moments later.
This portion is brought to us by Havaianas. Ang Havaianas ng Brazil. The original Havaianas from Brazil. So don't miss to buy this when you go to Brazil, okay? And this portion is brought to us by Shane Bowl Noodle Soup, ang soup at ang noodle soup ng bayan ng Japanese soup. Okay, so bili na po kayo.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸. I'm going crazy. 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게. 내 맘을 받아줘. 영원히 변치 않을 테니. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면.
And this portion is brought to us by Pantene, ang shampoo ng bayan. So, hello Pantene. This portion is brought to us by Head and Shoulders. So clean and classic clean and so good for the hair. So, bili na kayo ng Head and Shoulders.